Those guys, scary on that thing. We got in the yellow, number X, Bill Hyken. And in the blue, Tim Hyken. In a 666. Is taking the lead, and he's going to hold on to it. As long as he keeps it on all four wheels, he'll keep it. Those guys
I have no idea.
You'll have to watch. Lose their tread, and their tread is what gives them its speed. Oh, looks like, oh man. What happened? He ran over a cone and got his front tire stuck in one of the grooves.
Just got stuck.
All this wet, mucky mud.
I have an idea, but I don't know what.
Does that thing have reverse? It sure does. There he comes. As his brother puts the last hand under him.
Yeah.
You can hear that motor just a whistling. He's trying to get it out of that mud. Look out, flight man. You're in his way. Woo! Doing a wheelie to get it out of there. That's all it is. There's the wheelie. He's trying to turn that baby around using a wheelie bar. Oh! It looks like he might have a broken front end. He's going to have to pull that off. Oh, that's too bad.
Oh, that's like
looks
deadly.
Like number X, Bill Hyken is out there all by himself.
I know.
Let's see what you can do, Bill. You're all by yourself, buddy. You won first place. Show us some. Give us a show.
Yeah, and Jacob did too.
He's trying real hard to keep it on all four wheels. He doesn't want to roll that thing. That's too pretty to roll.
Too pretty.
And he's the winner. We knew that. He's going to come out there in front for his trophy. And let's hope, let's see.